In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero tips, how to reconcile a bank transaction manually, 5 minutes. Manual reconciliation in Xero is handy when you need to mark a bank line as reconciled without creating a new transaction or matching it to something else. Use it carefully and only when you're confident the transaction is already accounted for in your books. Start by opening Xero and heading to the login page. Click Login, then enter your email and password. If your organization uses extra security, follow the prompts and then click Login again to access your account. Once you're in, go to the dashboard. From here, find the bank account you're working with and select Reconcile items. This opens the area where you manage bank statement lines and their status. Next, move to Account Transactions. This view shows all the transactions for the selected bank account, including those that are unreconciled and those already reconciled. We'll work here to mark the specific transaction. If you don't see the option to mark transactions as reconciled, click the help icon in the top corner, the small question mark. From the help options that appear, select Enable Mark as Reconciled. This turns on the feature so you can complete the process. Now, locate the transaction you want to reconcile. Take a moment to verify the details: the date, amount, payee, and reference. Accuracy matters because manually marking something as reconciled tells Xero that the bank and your records are aligned for that item. With the transaction highlighted, click More. From the drop-down menu, choose Mark as Reconciled. Xero will ask you to confirm. Click Mark as Reconciled again to finalize. You'll see the status update indicating that the item is now reconciled and will no longer appear in your bank reconciliation queue. A couple of tips to wrap up. Use manual reconciliation sparingly, typically for historic cleanups, bank charges you've already recorded elsewhere, or items you're certain have been handled. If you accidentally mark the wrong transaction as reconciled, you can return to Account Transactions and change its status later, so don't worry if you make a mistake. Also, keeping clear references and descriptions on your transactions makes future reconciliations much faster. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your bank account, enabled the option if needed, selected the right transaction, and marked it as reconciled with a confirmation. Follow these steps each time you need to manually tidy up a transaction, and your bank recs will stay accurate and stress-free.